Hello folks, this is Florida Trailblazer, and today I'm out here exploring in the Green Swamp Wilderness, following this section along the Withlacoochee River. Such a beautiful area and great day to be outdoors enjoying this scenic wilderness. Just a nice cool breeze and the sun is shining. It's a place that truly sets you free. I hiked a little ways from the river further into the wilderness here, and I'm walking along this path which actually used to be an old landing strip. Hiking towards an area that was an old ranch at one time, dating back to the mid-1900s. Following this path here, which used to be part of a road at one time that led to a ranch site. The area looks different today than it did back then. Nature has mostly reclaimed this place. I'm going to follow this further into the woods and see what traces from the past that we can possibly discover. Walking through this field, and at one time in this clearing is where the ranch once stood. Back here, it's an old fence post. Back here in the woods, found some remnants. Looks like part of a box spring there. You can see an old sink. See some metal buried into the ground. Over here are some old orange trees. Probably planted during time when the ranch was here. Bunch of wooden posts here on the ground. This area here are a lot of tall grasses, and I can almost make out kind of a path through here. This area may have been used as a pasture at one time. I roamed around this section of the wilderness for a while now, seeing what traces from the past I could discover. And it's been great to come out here, take a little trip back in time. And I always seem to find something different when I come to these places. You never know what could still be out here.